Hello and welcome to Selfie Torah. Sometimes our actions have unintended consequences. We plan things, we want them to work out a certain way, and we don't realize how they will turn out in the end, sometimes very differently than we intended, and sometimes the exact opposite of what we intended. I just read an article in Reuters about Israeli hedgehogs that are overweight and have to go on a diet. I am not joking. They're hedgehogs and they're overweight. What happened to the hedgehogs? People have been leaving food out for cats. Everyone in Israel loves cats, and they love to feed the cats. They're all over the place. But apparently the cat food was making these hedgehogs obese. And now they have to exercise and go on diets, and 10 overweight hedgehogs are being treated in Ramat Gan for obesity. Totally unintended, but sometimes in life, we don't necessarily get what we want. In this week's Torah portion, the exact same thing happens to Pharaoh, the king of Egypt. Well, not with the hedgehogs. At least I don't think so. Not sure about the weight problems of Egyptian hedgehogs in biblical times. I'll have to look that up. Nevertheless, Pharaoh decides to persecute the Jews. He decides to command that Jewish babies get killed. He decides to command enslavement for the Jews. What happens? The Torah tells us the more they persecuted us, the more we increased in numbers. Not that we didn't suffer, not that we didn't lose out, but the more he persecuted us, the more we increased. That's the unintended consequences of Pharaoh's actions. So it's important to take a look, everything we do, not just to look at our actions and the result of our actions, but the long-range results. What will be the eventual consequence of our actions? From Las Vegas, Nevada, have an Agila Shabbat. Oh, this thing will not turn off. What will be the consequence?